Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll share how to make Okpa, the perfect way to make Okpa. These are the ingredients we'll be using. We have our palm oil. You need a correct palm oil for this. We have our Okpa. In this bowl, I have like 5 cups of Okpa. We have our scotch bonnet pepper and salt. That is only ingredients you need to make the correct Okpa. So I'll be using leaf to make this Okpa. I think leaf is better and is healthier. I just put it in the flame to kind of make it elastic or strong to use, kind of firm. You can use nylon to make your Okpa, but to me, I prefer leaf. I prefer banana leaf because I think it's more healthier and safe to use. So after that, I will go ahead and remove the banana leaf stalk. I will use it to create a base to steam cook the Okpa because we are steam cooking the Okpa. Then after removing the stalk, this is how the leaf will look like. I will use this tiny rope to tie it up. I got this tiny rope from a rice sack, but you can use any thread that is available for you. So next I will go ahead to fold the banana leaf. Just watch the way I'm doing it. It's quite easy to do. It's something that you can do for 2 or 3 times and you will master it. So I'm folding from the end that is open. Then after that I will hold and start folding again at the bottom of it to close it up. This is quite easy to do. It's something that you need to watch like 2 times to get it correct, okay? Then I grabbed the tiny rope and tie it up from the bottom, but first I folded it up a little bit, then I tie it up, and there will be a remaining of the rope. Yes, you need that remaining rope. You see the rope that still remain because that's what you will use to tie it up after you scoop in your Okpa. Just continue watching, you will learn it. Thank you. Hello guys, for more interesting video, please like, share to your friends and to your loved ones who might like to watch this kind of video. Your like and your share encourages this channel to do better and grow, and it also helps the algorithm to push out the video to the right people. And if you're just coming across, thank you for tuning in, and to my subscribers, thank you so much. So after tying, this is how exactly it should look after tying everything. Then I will go ahead to pound my scotch bonnet pepper. I just want to pound it. I don't want to blend it for it to appear smooth. I just want it to kind of look crushed and not blended. Next, I will add the amount of palm oil I will use to cook this Okpa in an empty pot or bowl, but I will leave the quantity and everything in the description box for you to see. Then I will add in our crushed pepper, then add salt. After adding the salt, next is hot water. Make sure that the water you are using is hot, as in very hot but not boiled, okay? Then you give it a quick mix and start adding the Okpa flour. You add it batch by batch. Don't add everything at once. Once you add a batch, you stir and combine before you add another batch. This method of mixing Okpa helps it to appear smooth and silk, and it also prevents lumps from forming, and you won't mess your hand, as in your hand will not look messy, okay? So I'm adding the last batch. Then I'll mix and combine everything thoroughly until it becomes smooth and silky. So now I'll start adding water. That is the hot water. I'll add it gradually as well. is not something you will add at once. You will add it gradually so you will get the right consistency of your okpa. Your okpa has to look a bit watery but not completely watery. Just keep watching so you will see how it will look like after mixing up everything. Guys, see, if you want that correct and the original taste of Okpa Enugu, this is the only ingredients you need. At this point, the consistency is still thick. You add more water to make it look a bit thinner, as in the consistency won't look that thick. So at this point, this is the exact consistency we are looking for. It's not too thick, neither is it too watery. You can see what I did at the spatula, and that shows that the consistency is right. So now I'm scooping it into the leaf. Just keep watching so you will get to know how I tie it up, okay? After I scoop it into the leaf, then I fold the tip just the way you see, then I tie it with the remaining tiny rope and I drop. I'll do another one for you to see, okay? So before this time, I've placed some leaves and the stalks into the pots that we use to cook this okpa. Add water and allow it to boil, because it has to be boiling before we add the okpa, okay? You can also use your steam pot to achieve this, just that my steam pot is small, so and I'm making a big quantity of okpa, and this is the kind of method or the way we make okpa. If you are cooking a large quantity or you're making for sale, this is how to do it, and it will take like 40 to 45 minutes to get done. After like 20 minutes, I give it a quick check and I notice that the water is drying up, so I added more water by the side. After 45 minutes, the okpa is ready. I just took one out to check and to confirm, to make sure that everything is okay, the spice, the salt, and it's so yummy and delicious, and we enjoyed ourselves. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.